Day 4000. Still no signs of photosynthesis.
Soil toxicity levels remain fatal.
Will I ever see green again?
Wait, an anomaly detected ahead.
Energy signature reading, organic. It is faint. I must proceed carefully. Descending into Sector 7.
Traction failing. System warning. Impact sustained. Minor chassis damage.
Incredible! A viable specimen. Hello, little one. You are safe now. Initiating extraction protocol.
Atmospheric pressure dropping. Storm imminent. Must reach higher ground before flood.
Almost there. Keep moving.
This soil will have to do.
I will not let the storm take you. Power restored. Storm has passed. The network is reconnecting. Life finds a way.
Huh? Growth rate exceeding known parameters.
My mission is complete.
Welcome back to the world.